Folks, and how is it going? And welcome back to another video, and welcome to the next day. Look at this absolutely wonderful view we have from the balcony of the hotel we are staying in. It is absolutely fantastic, really lovely, and these mountains were catching some beautiful light this morning, so I managed to take a few snaps of those. And we just had the breakfasts. These traditional breakfasts are colossal things, and so just finished up that. Gonna pack up the van and basically hit the road. Got a beautiful drive ahead of us, and fingers and toes crossed, then we can capture some wonderful sights. We've got a few places earmarked for this evening and this afternoon, so it should prove to be a very nice photography day and nice couple of days upcoming. We stay 2 nights in the place that we're going to now, and yeah, so it should be nice. It's going to be nice to be able to just kind of, explore the area, come back and then head out again. But for now, going to finish packing and going to bring everything downstairs, check out, and then hit the road. Well, get some supplies first and then hit the road. So let's get all that sorted and let's get going. So the microphone battery is dead, so I hope you can hear me okay. We have arrived in the town of Nikko, and it looks like a beautiful town by all accounts. There's lots to do here, so we're basically going to stick around here for the next maybe 4 hours and take some photographs, have some lunch, get some coffee, and then drive to the accommodation then to check in. And but for now we're on our way to a really lovely bridge which we saw on the way in, and yeah, it really looks very kind of like quintessentially kind of Japanese, so we're all very excited to see that. And so we're just walking down this very busy road. As you can see, it's very busy, and the parking took us ages to get up the hill to find a space to park, but we found it in the end, and sure, here we are on the way now. Sun sets at about 4:30, which is in about 3 hours, I think. And there's a bridge, there's a shrine, there's a gardens, there's potentially tonkatsu, and all the other fine things one would expect from this gorgeous country. But look at this, even hidden away here. It's like a little shrine. Beautiful. So we are going to continue on the path and get down to the end of the road. This is exciting, very exciting. This is going to be really nice. Okay, let's continue exploring. So this is a very popular spot here, and for good reason. It's gorgeous. Let me turn you around and poke you through the gaps. I'm looking through this railing. I've got my tripod here. I'm going to aim for probably around a 40-second exposure or so, just because I want to try and blur out some of those people and introduce some motion in the water below. But it is a gorgeous frame. There's a beautiful bit of colour over there on the left side of the frame too, which I'm polarizing for as well. So yeah, it's really fantastic. It's very busy though, very busy. Okay.
Anything in that trade game.
I'd have to go all the way over there now. Yeah. It's always really nice to have a single kind of focal point to play around with in terms of compositions and all that kind of fun stuff. So a real pleasure. It's been photographing this wonderful bridge, and the light has come out a little bit the odd time, so I hope I was able to capture that to some degree. So let's mosey on, grab a coffee, and see what else we can see. Gorgeous place. Really gorgeous. So folks, it's pretty late in the evening. The lads are getting smashed up on sake, which is a good laugh. And We are in this hotel now, we've made it. It was a sketchy drive up this evening, folks. Very snowy. It's actually really snowing outside now. And let's see if I can go outside. And so yeah, there's like lots of snow forecast. Where are you going? Lots of snow forecast for tomorrow. So I don't even know if we're even going to be able to get out here because we're way up in the mountains. And I don't know if you can see the snow. But yeah, we're way up in the mountains, so I don't know if we're going to be able to do anything tomorrow. It depends on how much the snow sticks, but I can already see it on the ground starting to kind of pile up, so we'll have to wait and see. It's not a very snow friendly van. And but anyways, I realised we were up there chatting for hours that I hadn't closed off today's video, so I'm going to do that now. I'll let you know that everything is good. A good day at the bridge, good day generally, and all is well. So we'll see if we can do anything tomorrow, and if we do, I'll see you then. Well, it has you come back to you anyway, because this is the nature of things, and this is what it's like to be on a photography tour. You got to roll with the punches sometimes. Sometimes you can't get out, but we'll see. It is scheduled to clear probably in the early morning, or the late morning I should say, so we'll see if that actually happens. But for now, I gotta go to bed, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take it easy, everyone. Cheers.